Well, it is the season to travel, and that means long lineups and bumper-to-bumper traffic. Okay, add in a baby and a toddler, and I am just staying home. I'm not going anywhere. But obviously, we have to travel. So to help us avoid that airport meltdown, travel expert Natalie Preddie is here to tell us what to pack besides our patience to help make travel a little bit easier during the holiday. Thanks so much for being here.
Thanks for having me.
So it starts with the packing. Like, you got to plan even before you head out the door.
Absolutely. But what I like to say is pack light. Now you can call ahead to wherever you're going, and you can find a baby equipment rental company, and they will deliver everything that you need to your destination. So you don't have to carry the pack and play. You don't have to carry your car seats. Pack light. Avoid the stress when you're running through the airport.
Natalie, where were you like last year when I had 6 suitcases going home for Christmas? Oh my gosh.
Exactly. Avoid, and they are everywhere, and it's really, really fantastic. Quality stuff as well in destinations. So make sure you're not overpacking as you're planning your trip, whether it's in the car or on the plane.
I love one of those tips on that board too, travel stroller. Make sure it's a good one.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah. You always want to have a travel stroller that's going to get you, again, through the airport, that you can gate check, that's light. Some of them you can even throw in the overhead compartments as well, fold up into backpacks, and are under 14 pounds, and you can just put them right up there and you're ready to go.
Okay, so now let's talk once we're on the plane,
Yep.
We're stuck in a car.
Yes.
What do you do in terms of keeping your kids happy?
So you want to keep them entertained, first of all. So don't be afraid of technology. We have these tools as parents now, and we often think, oh no, I've got to keep the kids, entertained with books. No, give yourself a break. It's the holiday season. So don't be afraid to put on an app or a TV show for your kids. Also, a new toy. So head to the dollar store. Sensory books are fantastic.
Oh, I like that idea.
Pipe cleaners and beads, amazing. They will keep a kid excited for hours. And never underestimate stickers and pads of paper.
Okay, and none of those are going to break the bank. I mean, like you said, head to the dollar store and you're getting a lot of that for super cheap.
Exactly, and if they lose them, it doesn't matter. It's not an expensive toy. But for the kids, it's brand new, and that's what's exciting.
Okay, it's also tricky when you're in like an airport or buying fast food or whatever. Often the food choices aren't exactly what the kids love.
No, and so it's important that you always bring snacks. Snacks are important, as I'm sure you know with your boys.
Yep.
Snacks are important to always have on hand. You don't want a hangry toddler. That would be awful. You can bring squeeze packs, food pouches, bottles with formula. You can bring them all through security when you are flying. So feel good about that. Know that you can bring stuff for your baby on the plane and be okay. And in the back of the car, if you've got a long road trip, you can have as many snacks as you need to. Bring a whole cooler if necessary. You just want to make sure that they are happy, entertained, eating. And you have to bring a snack for yourself as well, because you don't want to get... Exactly.
I have been caught on one too many flights where I've got like the squeeze bag for myself. I'm like, nobody judge me.
Yeah, exactly. And you're trying to eat a kid's cereal bar or whatever, in the corner.
Okay, so now we've arrived at our destination. How do we ensure success there?
So the first thing is to set up for success. So when you arrive at your destination, you want to set up a sleep area, a diapering area, a feeding area. That makes you feel more comfortable in your surroundings, and makes your kids feel more comfortable as well. So you're not rooting around for a diaper or rooting around your suitcase for a toy that you know your child loves. It's already set up there, so all of you know where everything is, and it really makes the space feel like yours right away.
Gives that collective...
Okay, we're here. Now we can go to the pool.
Okay. Natalie, thank you so much. It's not an easy time of year to be trekking around the family, but we have to do it, so we so appreciate your tips.
Well, you know what? It's the holiday season, and these are magical times to create priceless memories, and, they're going to go by so quickly. So fast, and you're going to wish you had these times again.
Thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having me.